When I was working in Dakar, Senegal, I attended a meeting with lots of other expats. And the guest speaker that day was a psychiatrist from the American Embassy who spoke about the difficulties of being an expat, the unique challenges and stresses not only on the employee who had been hired internationally, but also importantly on the family members that they may have brought along. When she completed her remarks that day, the hands went shooting up with questions of things like, how do we come see you? Where do we find these kinds of services? And of course, she didn't have all the answers. And not only that, but Pandora's box opened up with the expression of need for other health services found in their own language and from their own culture. But that was hard or even impossible to find in the country that they were residing in. I have lived in 5 different countries, and I intimately understood that desperation that they were expressing that day and thought, I could really have used an English-speaking doctor at times or a Canadian mental health expert while I was living abroad. And I realized that I wasn't alone, and clearly this was an actual and serious and large problem. And that is why Trova Health exists.
I've been living as an expat for most of my adult life, currently based in Gaborone, Botswana. Being an expat and living in different countries around the world is an incredibly rewarding experience. But it does bring challenges both on a cultural and emotional level that, if not managed properly, can have a significant negative impact on the mental health and well-being of the individual and affect all areas of their lives. Millions of dollars are lost every year by the organizations who hire internationally when contracts are cut short and employees return home early. This is where Trova Health steps in to provide the support and lifeline that is so needed in expat communities. I'm an expat, and I've personally benefited from the services and support that Trova Health provides. And I know without a doubt that the quality of life of expats around the world will be changed for the better because of Trova Health.
Trova Health is built by expats for expats. People who live globally have unique challenges that aren't addressed by the many apps and services that are out there today. This is why there is a clear and desperate need to have health and wellness professionals providing services especially and uniquely for expats, so that they can actually feel like their needs are being met in wellness, community building, mental health, traditional healthcare services, and importantly by experts in their own language and from their own culture. This is what Trova Health does.
Now, we really want to hear from you because we are creating this for you. We're so excited that you're here, and we invite you to fill in your details on our website to receive the latest news and updates as we plan for our official launch in the coming weeks. Trova Health, for expats, finally.